Hi guys, our channel continues to show you programming products made by Macrolab IT company. Today we're gonna show you a new Excel tool which is a component of one of our current large projects and which will mainly help to specialists of human resources department. Here we see a table with information on interviews, respective CVs inserted as a database. The program is protected from manual changes. However, the management of information, that is, addition, or deletion, are done through a single window method with the help of these tools and user forms. For example, we want to add information on a new interview. We click on plus button, then in appeared window we fill required details. The date is on top, we can fill it or choose in calendar. Then we fill the name and surname of interviewee. Then apply department, apply position, and then we choose his or her CV from appropriate folder. Here we may leave some comments, and at the end we mark if we have approved an interviewee or not. Then we save information clicking on Add Record. The program automatically asks to enter a new one, but currently there is no need. We see that a new row has appeared. Here please note that while choosing an interviewer's CV, the program has created a hyperlink with which you can access the CV directly from the table. Taking into account that usually CVs are kept in different folders, this tool is very useful especially in big companies who have a large number of daily interviews. We can also edit previously saved information. For this we go to Edit section and make amendments in appeared window. For example, let's say Hakop Hakopian has applied not as a manager but as senior specialist. At the background we can also notice that the variable row is marked in yellow and become bold. The same way, if we want to delete any of the rows, we click on delete and confirm. Here we also have two other buttons. The first one manages the schedules. Here we see the list of departments, and for example we want to delete the IT department from the list. The same way we can add or edit other departments. Similar actions with also positions and interview results. The last button is designed for filtering of details. We can filter by name, department, position and other criteria. Let's choose one of departments, for example IT2. Click on Filter button and see the results. Let's try another criteria, for example, approved participants from interview results. The filter is working. We can also remove all filters with one click. On the whole, we want to mention that the main program has got much more functionality, but for this video, also for some commercial secret issues, we have extracted a short part of it. We can adapt this and other tools as per your requirements. For other videos, please visit our page. Thanks for your attention. See you.